name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maunsa, sadaf, and today the topic of my presentation is causes of global warming. First of all, we will discuss about global warming. That what is global warming? So it means surface temperature that changes. And according to its definition, it is the gradual increase. Gradual means it slowly increases. So it's the gradual increase in temperature of Earth's atmosphere. Now we will discuss about the causes of global warming, that how the global warming is causing. The first one is natural and the second one is man-made. First we will discuss about the natural cause of global warming. The first one is climate change. It means any significant change in the measures of climate lasting for an extended period of time. It includes changes in temperature, precipitation. Precipitation means the condensation of atmospheric water vapor or wind patterns. These changes may take 10 perhaps or a million of years. Okay, now the second one is the rotation of the Earth. The Earth's orbit around the Sun is not a circle, but the ellipse changes its shapes. Sometimes it is circular, and Earth stays the same distance from the Sun as it progresses around its orbit. At the other time, the orbit becomes ellipse, and the Earth moves closer and further away from the Sun. When Earth is closer to the Sun, our climate is warmer. Now, the third one is volcanoes. The movement of tectonic plates causes volcanoes and mountains to form, which can contribute to change in climate. Large mountain changes can influence circulation of air around globe. Warm air might be deflected somewhere cooler by mountains. Volcanoes affect climate through gases and dust particles thrown into atmosphere during eruption. Number 4 is change in ocean's current. Ocean currents carry heat around the Earth. The direction of these currents can shift so that different areas become warmer or cooler. Oceans store a large amount of heat, so that small changes in ocean current can have large effect on coastal and global climate. Now, the fifth one is solar cycles and sunspots. And sun doesn't always shine at the same level of brightness. It brightens and dies, slightly falling in 11 years to complete one cycle. Sun undergoes various changes in its activity. Levels of solar radiation drop off down, as does the amount of material sun ejects into space, and size and number of sunspots of solar flares. These changes affect Earth's atmosphere. Now, let's discuss the human causes of global warming. The first one is power plants, and it uses fossil fuels to produce electricity. And then the cars, fertilizers, deforestations, and ozone depletion. This is the chart that what is the cause of global warming. Then what is the reason global warming is caused. The first one is human behavior. Humans' behavior is the cause that why the global warming is increasing, and the percentage is 26.4. Second one is natural climate cycles. Third is both human and natural causes, and then the I don't believe it's happening, or fifth, unsure. They're unsure to how the global warming is causing. Then the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere trap infrared radiation. This effect makes the planet warmer. When there is more greenhouse gases in the air holds more heat. This is why more greenhouse gases cause global warming. Obviously, when there is more heat, then there will be causing more global warming. Greenhouse gases effects is caused due greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide, fossil fuels burning, especially coal. In carbon dioxide, fossil fuels are burning, and the most especially is the coal, and the percentage is 70 to 75% it's burning. Then deforestation, and plants are burning, and its burning is 20 to 25%. And average time in the troposphere is 50 to 500 years. These are the layers of atmosphere. The first one is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. And it's showing the altitude and the measures the 11 kilometer and this one. Methane, rice paddies, guts of cattle, and termites coal production and natural gas leaks from oil and gas production and pipelines. And the average time of methane in troposphere is 9 to 15 years. Then the chlorofluorocarbons and caused by the air conditioners and refrigerators and plastic phones. And the average time in troposphere is 11 to 20 years. Nitrous oxide, fossil fuel burning, and the fertilizers, livestock waste, and nylon production. And the average time of nitrous oxide in troposphere is 120 years. And that's all. Thank you.